Okay, we've got beautiful fabrics, and the reason I'm putting them up today, this is Tuesday, is because we need them for tonight. So we're talking monochromatics, and these monochromatics, we're just going to show you some really, really fun things that you can do with all of them. Anyway, so this we're going to start with. This is a gray and white. It's beautiful. It's 100% cotton, two-way stretch. The backing is like a terry, but it's very lightweight. It's not thick. It's gorgeous. Very, very pretty. So the pattern of the month would be great in this, plus a little pair of yoga pants to match. I think that'd be adorable. Or a dress, you name it. Anyway, all of these, except for the last one, they're $14.99 today. They're just some really good prices. This is a cotton poly. Both sides are usable. Great pants, top, great outfit. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous. Again, $14.99. Chartreuse is where we go next. I love this combination. Look at these two together. This is a 100% cotton stretch woven. This is a cotton poly that'd be lovely for a little blouse or a little jacket, but the blend is just very, very pretty. So cotton poly, this is a woven. Beautiful, beautiful. And then this is 100% cotton, stretch woven, one direction stretch. But I love that pairing together. And then we did a little quilted. This is a bias quilted. This also is a cotton poly, although it's almost 100% cotton. It's got a little bit of poly, but it burns really clean. This has stretch in both directions, kind of a slight stretch. I did a little tank and a little jacket. We'll see that tonight. You'll love it. It's just cute as can be. Just great. And then, again, $14.99. And then this is Angara. This is not $14.99, but it is reduced over what it was. And this is like, has stretch in one direction. It's kind of like a terry. You see the terry on the back. This is beautiful. So this is just, I think it's got to be the most perfect fabric for spring, for saying what spring is. Just with the flowers, but the abstract, it's not, the colors, everything about it. It's just absolutely beautiful. And again, Angara made in Italy. All right, so there you have it. Just a great combination today to make your sewing happier than ever. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.